Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th. Subject English. Grammar revision. Language study. He took the gift happily. And in bracket it is given, identify the adverb. Now let us look at the options. Took, the next is happily, and third is gift. So students, we have learned that the words that tell us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb are called adverbs, right? So here students, happily is what? It is adverb, right? Why? Because here it is telling us more about the verb, right? And so second option is the correct one, that is happily. Next, I had bread and butter. And in bracket it is given, identify the conjunction. So students, we know that a word that joins or connects words or sentences together is called a conjunction, right? So first let us look at the options. So here it is had, then second is bread, and third is and. And so students, and is what? And is the conjunction, right? And so third option is the correct one, that is and. Next, pour the juice, dash the glasses. And in bracket it is given, fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Now let us look at the options. First is on, second is into, third is at. Now students, we have learned that a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun in the sentence is called a preposition. And so students, it will be what? It will be pour the juice into the glasses. So the second one, that is into, is the correct one. So it will be pour the juice into the glasses. Next, I am very hungry, dash, the fridge is empty. And in bracket it is given, fill in the blank with suitable coordinating conjunction. Okay, so students, as we have learned, coordinating conjunctions are what? They help to join sentences that are equal in importance, right? And so it will be what? And first let us look at the option. Here it is given but, nor, so. So students, it will be what? It will be I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. And so the first one is the correct, that is but. Next, the old lady sits outside. And here in the bracket it is given, identify the kind of adverb. Now let us look at the option. Outside, adverb of place. Outside, adverb of time. Outside, adverb of manner. Now here students, as we can see, it is what? The lady sits outside. And so students, the adverb that shows where the action happens is called the adverb of place. And so the correct is what? The correct answer is outside, that is adverb of place. Fanny ran quickly to catch the ball. And in bracket it is given, identify the adverb. Now let us look at the option. Ran, catch, quickly. And so students, the adverb is quickly. Right? So third is the correct option, that is quickly. Next, he is sick, so he is not going to school. Identify the conjunction. Now let us look at the options. First is sick, second is so, and third is to. So students, second option is the correct one. That is, he is sick, so he is not going to school. So is the conjunction. Next, wake me up dash 6 a.m. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Now the options are given, that is with, in, at. So the correct preposition will be what, students? It will be at. That is the third one. That is, wake me up at 6 a.m. Next, the angry man screamed loudly. Identify the kind of adverb. Now let us look at the option. Loudly, adverb of place. Loudly, adverb of time. Loudly, adverb of manner. Now students, the sentence is what? The angry man screamed loudly. Right? So students, we have learned that the adverb that shows how or the manner in which an action happens is called the adverb of manner. So third is the correct one. That is, loudly, adverb of manner. Next, though it was cold, we enjoyed playing in the snow. Identify the subordinating conjunction. Now let us look at the option. We, then next is enjoyed, and third is though. Now students, we have learned that what are subordinating conjunctions? They help to join sentences of different importance. And so here it is what? It is though. So the third option is correct one. Though is the subordinating conjunction. Next, the train arrived dash. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb. Now let us look at the options. It is greedily, early, bravely. So can it be the train arrived greedily? No. So this is not the correct option. Then the train arrived early. Yes, this can be correct one. Then next is the train arrived bravely. So this is no. So students, the second option is the correct one. That is, the train arrived early. Next, I left my purse in home. And here in the bracket it is given, choose the correct sentence by selecting the correct option. Now let us look at the options. So first is, I left my purse with home. Then I left my purse at home. And third is, I left my purse on home. So students, according to this, the second option is the correct one. That is, I left my purse at home. Next, the boys are smart. They did not do well in the examination. Combine the sentences by selecting the correct option. Now let us look at the options. So the boys are smart whether they did not do well in the examination. So no, this is wrong. Then the boys are smart because they did not do well in the examination. So this is also wrong. Next, the boys are smart, though they did not do well in the examination. So the third is correct one. That is, the boys are smart, though they did not do well in the examination. Next, the cat is for the table. Choose the correct sentence by selecting the correct option. So here it is. Let us look at the option. The cat is on the table. The cat is so the table. The cat is to the table. So the correct one is what? The correct one is first one. That is, the cat is on the table. Next, in a quiet manner. In bracket it is given, choose the correct adverb to replace the phrase. Now let us look at the option. Carefully, immediately, quietly. So here it is what? In a quiet manner. So it will be what? It will be, the answer will be quietly. Right? So that is the third one, quietly. Students, now let us revise grammar by answering questions from the passage. Okay, so it is, the passage starts from here and ends here. And so it is do as directed. In that first one it is, they showered arrows dash the soldiers of Athens. In bracket it is given, fill in the blank with suitable preposition. Now let us look at the options. Out, on, in. So let us find the answer. So see, here it is here. They showered arrows on the soldiers of Athens. And so students, on, that is the second one, is the correct option. So they showered arrows on the soldiers of Athens. Next, the battle was over. Dash, the Persians did not accept defeat. Fill in the blank with suitable conjunction. And here let us look at the options. It is but, for, so. Okay, so let us find the answer. So it is here. The battle was over, but the Persians did not accept defeat. And so students, the first option is the correct one. That is but. So the battle was over, but the Persians did not accept defeat. Next, some of them were lost dash the marshy areas. And in bracket it is given, fill in the blank with suitable preposition. Now let us look at the options. For, at, in. Now students, we already know the answer, but let us find the answer from the passage also. So, as we can see here, some of them were lost in the marshy areas, right? So the third option is the correct one. That is, some of them were lost in the marshy areas. Next, who would travel faster than the Persian ships, and that too on a longer route? Identify the conjunction. And here in the option it is given faster, then next is and third option is that. Right? So students, we already know the answer. That is what? That is and. And is the conjunction. Right? So here in the passage also we can see that who would travel faster than the Persian ships, and that too on a longer route. Right? And so students, the second option, that is and, is the conjunction.